Hi everybody, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we've got for you a Coach Edie. So this coach has double top handles. We've got the leather straps mixed with the chain straps as well. On the back, attached to this strap, we've got that gold Coach tag there as well. On the front, we've got turn lock fasten, and I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside there, you can see in the middle, got one central zip section. So that opens up and zips like that. That's quite a nice big spacey section there. And then behind that section, I've got another one here at the back with that zipped flat pocket there as well. And then on the front section, in front of the central section, we've got another two flat pockets just here and here. So the condition of this bag, we have called good all around. As you can see, it's quite a comfortable, kind of relaxed looking bag anyway. So any wear to it, any signs of wear, don't really take away from the look of the bag. But we've just got a few marks here and there. So on the back along here, there's a mark, just a little bit of wear. Just here, you can see it's slightly lighter than the rest of the leather. And then just on the front as well, we've got a little mark. You find it just over here. You can see just there, little mark. And then interior, again, we've called good. For similar reasons, there's just a few signs of wear here and there. So along those leather trims, just a couple of little lighter bits, where it's just worn very slightly. And interior, again, we've called, just done interior. Hardware, we've called good. So if I show you up to the camera, the colour all still looks really nice with that gold hardware. That's all really lovely. But it's mostly for this turn lock here. You can see that where the rest of it's quite shiny, it's just started dulling. You can see here and there. And there's just a few little scratches on there, so that's why we've called the hardware good. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. I'll show you what this Edie comes with. So we've just got the Coach dust bag to keep it protected. So for the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to this coach. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, you can still get on our request list, which you do by sending us over an email or filling out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag and we'll get you on our request list, which just means that you'll get through an email every time we get in another bag like this through the door, and there'll be a link to shop in that email so you can hopefully get in there before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4". And these shoulder straps are a really nice length actually. I like where it sits on me as a shoulder bag, and it's quite comfortable because this leather is quite kind of movable and not super structured. It's comfortable to have it under your arm like that. So yeah, it's really nice. For more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. You'll find loads more bags, purses and wallets on our website. And if there's anything that takes your fancy, don't forget you can get your welcome discount code. You do that by signing up for the newsletter, which you'll find the option to do at the bottom of any page on our website. Just pop your email in there and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, then go onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know. And we would love to see what bags you have for us. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.